Hi and welcome back to Free Science Lessons. By the end of this video you should be able to describe what's meant by a dative covalent bond. These are also called coordinate bonds. I'm showing you here the molecule ammonia. Nitrogen atoms have got 5 electrons in their outer shell. In ammonia, the nitrogen atom has formed 3 covalent bonds to hydrogen atoms. This means that the nitrogen atom also has a lone pair of electrons, and we saw what's meant by a lone pair in the video on covalent bonding. So what that means is that the nitrogen atom can use its lone pair of electrons to form a covalent bond. A good example is the reaction between ammonia and the hydrogen ion H+. The hydrogen ion has got no electrons, so it cannot contribute any electrons to a covalent bond. So in this case, the nitrogen atom uses its lone pair of electrons to form a covalent bond to the hydrogen ion, and this forms the ammonium ion NH4+. When an atom uses a lone pair of electrons to form a covalent bond, then scientists call this a dative or coordinate bond. I'm showing you here the displayed formula of the ammonium ion. On a displayed formula, a dative bond is shown by an arrow like this. Notice that the arrowhead points away from the element which is providing the lone pair. Now, there are a couple of important points about dative bonds. Firstly, in order for a dative bond to form, the acceptor atom must be electron deficient. In other words, there are available orbitals for the electrons to occupy. Secondly, a dative covalent bond is exactly the same as a normal covalent bond. All of the bonds in the ammonium ion are the same length, and all of the bonds have the same average bond enthalpy. Average bond enthalpy tells us the strength of the bond, and the dative bond in the ammonium ion has the same bond strength as the other bonds. I'm showing you here another example of ammonia forming a dative covalent bond. In this case, the ammonia has reacted with boron trifluoride. As we saw in the last video, in boron trifluoride, the boron atom only has 6 electrons in its outer shell. This makes it electron deficient, allowing the nitrogen atom to form a dative covalent bond to it. In the next video, we look at the shapes of molecules.